Did you know that there are 10 times more microbial cells in your gut than in your whole body? With about 5,000 different species weighing approximately 2 kgs, the human microbiome is an intricate community of microorganisms that live on and inside our body. These microbiomes are responsible for keeping our digestive system happy, regulating our immune system, and even influencing our mood and behavior. The microbiome in early life is incredibly important. Science has found bacteria from the mother pass into her amniotic fluid and to the fetus. Thus, it is very important for a mother to be mindful of her diet.
If your baby's microbiome is not healthy, they are more likely to suffer from allergies, asthma, eczema, mood disorders, autoimmune diseases, or even ADHD and ASD. Paying attention to what you eat during pregnancy can nurture healthy microbiome in your child. Here are a few diet tips that you should follow during pregnancy. Eat a wide array of colorful vegetables and fruits. Beneficial strains of gut bacteria love to feast on plant-based fiber, so make sure you eat a lot of vegetables. Avoid the temptation to snack on refined sugar. Refined sugar encourages unhealthy bacteria and hence should be consumed in least quantities. Try to relax because stress activates unhealthy strains of your bacteria. Also pay attention to the quality of your sleep. Try including natural probiotics in your diet on daily basis like yogurt, fermented food, buttermilk, kimchi, etc. You can also seek help from a professional pediatrician. At Dr. Bakshi's Healthcare, we take holistic approach to your child's healthcare. Discover the gentle healing of homeopathy for your child.